Doing another video on plants for bees. This is a false indigo bush. I don't know if you can see the bees working it or not. Yep, there they are. They get a real dark orange pollen off of it. Can't say that I've looked up to see if there's any nectar in it, but there's some other kind of insect working it. And then I'd say it's got nectar to it, because once the blooms get out and going, it is covered with ants. And you don't see ants carrying pollen back, so I'd say it's got nectar to it, but these girls are more interested in the pollen. And I'll back up, show you. This bush is about 3 years old. Not fertilized it or anything, it's just happy where it's at. Blooms start off looking like that and finish looking like this. And there's your good, well, if the camera will focus. See the orange pollen on her legs. That's the only downside to it, is it's covered in ants, and you brush by it and then you've got ants all over you. And those girls just seem to want to bite on me. I guess because I'm so sweet. You guys know that. But that's it. It's a false indigo bush. I guess you could train it up to be a tree. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stalks. Thanks for watching Woolly Bees. Hit that like, subscribe, and share.